Right now, I am standing in the middle of the most expensive attention on the planet. You guessed it, Times Square. Every screen that you see behind me costs hundreds, even thousands, even millions of dollars to appear on. And the moment you stop paying, you disappear. Now let me ask you, is that how you're treating your own marketing? Are you spending 6 or even 7 figures a year just to rent space that vanishes the moment your campaign ends? Well, here's the thing. Most mid-market businesses, 10 million, 50 million, even 100 million in annual revenue, are doing. They're spending serious money, but ignoring one of the most powerful owned media platforms around, YouTube. And I'm not just talking about becoming a YouTuber. I'm talking about using video strategically to scale your brand, to shorten your sales cycle, and to build trust at scale. So let's break it down. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world. It's where buyers go to research, where they go to validate, and where competitors show up before you if you're not there. The big shift is that Google Ads, Facebook programmatic, that's all rented attention. YouTube, you own the channel. You're building digital real estate that compounds in value over time. It's the difference between leasing a billboard in Times Square and owning the entire building. So you might think I'm talking about becoming an influencer, right? No. That's not what I'm talking about at all. That's not really how brands are taking control of their messages on their own channel. Companies are doing it by not guessing. They're following a system. And at TurboRank, we help you build that system. Strategy, scripting, optimization, and distribution. It's all done for you or done with you. Now you might be asking, what kind of videos should we be making? Well, here's how many of the smart companies start. First, they build customer education videos. They answer the top 10 questions that your sales team hears every single day. These videos, they do the heavy lifting before your reps even get on the call. Second, sales enablement assets. That's what we call them. Case studies, product walkthroughs, objection busters. Video content that can be sent directly to prospects mid-funnel. And third, thought leadership. Put your founders and execs on camera, not to go viral, but to build credibility, to build authority and trust. It's not about doing more, it's about doing right. But this is key. Without the proper strategy, without scripting, without marketing, and without optimization, you will go nowhere. Posting videos without a plan is like building a Times Square billboard in the middle of the desert. You need the right topics, you need the right metadata, and the right thumbnail, and the right distribution strategy behind it. And that's where here at TurboRank we come in. We don't just make videos, we engineer performance. And here's the bottom line. If you got scale, if you got a real team, you've got real customers and real goals, and you're not using YouTube the way you use your CRM or paid ad dashboard, you're behind, and you're behind big. The good news is you can catch up, and we can help you do that fast. And when you do, you don't just rent that attention, you own it. So let us help you make YouTube one of the most valuable marketing assets you own. One that builds trust, one that drives leads, and one that works while you sleep. Let's scale this.